Hi, my name is Leah and welcome back to Leah's Jewelry and Gems. Today I'm going to be unboxing the July Bargain Bead Box, which is Rainforest Relic. This collection, I have looked at it, but I'm going to show you all what's inside of it. So it comes in this green bag this month. And we have all of these goodies. There's 20 items in the box this month, with a bonus item as well. The retail value for this box is $86.80. So let's put these to the side and then we'll go through them one at a time. Okay. So number one is an approximate 32 millimeter Kambaba Jasper carved rose pendant. This is a beautiful pendant, and the hole is right at the top. And some carving on the back as well. Number two is 7 to 8 millimeter Kambaba English cut. And this is about a 7-inch strand. These are stunning. And they go well with this focal. They match almost perfectly with mine. Number three is 6 to 7 millimeter turquoise green magnesite rondelle beads. And this is a 7-inch strand as well. And these are beautiful. They're nice smooth rondelles. And the color does vary greatly in these, but they are stunning and they'll go well with this box. Number four is a 15-inch strand of apatite nuggets. Wow. Oh, one ran away. I'll grab it in a little bit. These are beautiful. This is a nice bluish green that will pair well with this. And I like the size of these nuggets. They're not too small, but they're not too big either. Number five is 8 millimeter red agate, and these are dyed. Oh, these are beautiful. I'm a huge fan of agate and carnelian, so these are right up my alley for sure. Number six is 10-piece, 10 millimeter Kambaba Jasper matte round beads. Oh, these are beautiful. They are very matte, but you can see the patterning in them very well, and I really like that. Number seven is 4.5 by 2 millimeter synthetic turquoise rondelle beads. These are tiny rondelles and they are gorgeous. They are evenly sized. And it's the beautiful turquoise color. Number eight is 4-piece, 13 to 14 by 9 to 10 millimeter agate DZ beads, Z beads. These are beautiful. I love the design on these. Number 9 is our crystal strand. 6x4mm crystal faceted fancy rondelles. And this is varied olivine crackle. And this is a 7-inch strand. Ooh, these are sparkly. Oh, I love this sparkle. And it's a nice size to go with some of the larger ones as well as some of the smaller beads in this month's box. Number 10 is 6x5mm crystal English cut round beads in green vivitrol. Oh, this strand is stunning. That's some sparkle for real. If you need bling, this is where you're going to get it this month for sure. Number 11 is a 21x8mm enameled brass hammered oval charm. Oh, this is beautiful. That is a little tiny pendant, but it's so cute. I really like that. Number 12 is a 2-piece 21x17mm Monstera leaf charms in jungle green. These are so cute. I love those. So cute. Number 13 is a 4-piece set of 27x14mm Monstera leaf links. Oh, these are beautiful. I love this color. And then the second loop goes in the opposite direction at the bottom. That's beautiful. Number 14 is a leaf pendant in antique bronze patina, and it's 41x35mm. Oh wow, the texture on this is amazing. So this is the front. Look at that texture. And the back is just as stunning. That is beautiful. I really love that one. And number 15 is a 10-gram bag of 4x3mm glass saucer beads, and this is a dark orange. This goes well with that agate. Those are beautiful. A nice pop of color to break up your palette. Number 16 is a 4-piece set of 20 to 22mm spiral charm mix in antique bronze patina. Oh, these are beautiful. There's 2 different styles. So that's the back of the first one. And this is the front and the back of the second one. Those are beautiful. And number 17 It's a 10-gram bag of 4.5 by 3.5 millimeter cubic rondelle spacer beads, and they're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Oh, these add some definition to this color palette for sure, and some depths. Look at those. Number 18 is 10 millimeter leafy bead caps. Oh, the design on these is beautiful. If you wanted, you could even take some patina paint or paint markers and just go over it to add some dimension to that so it really stands out. Those are beautiful. Number 19 is 2 sets of 26 to 31 millimeter toggles, and they're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. These are actually 2 different toggles. The first one is here, and it is double-sided. And this is the second one. And they're both stunning toggles. Beautiful clasp. And number 20 is 1 meter of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter Lumicina chain, and this is lead-free and nickel-free. This is beautiful. They've given us Lumicina chain before, and this is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love Lumicina chain. And our bonus is a 2-piece brass pinch bells. It looks like this one's broke, but that's okay, because you can always take those off very easily. Just remove those and just put your cording right through the top hole. And that's a nice finish on those. So that's this month's box, Rainforest Relics from Bargain Bead Box. Stay tuned for other upcoming videos with designs that I make from this series.